Hey guys, this is your trusted weather forecast, and today we're going to be talking about Invest 97L potentially becoming Hurricane Laura in the next few days. Before we get into this, I'd like to ask you to subscribe. About 75% of you who watch my videos are not subscribed. So please click the subscribe button if you like weather-related content, and hit the notification bell if you do not want to miss a single upload. Also, share this with friends and family, and like the video to get this out to as many people as possible. Let's get right into this. Invest 97L, which I just highlighted here, has a 20% chance of formation through the next 48 hours and a 50% chance for formation through the next 5 days as the system approaches Mexico and the Gulf of Mexico. Let's get right into the models. Intensity guidance for 97L, potentially soon to be Laura, is shown here. One or two of the models here show it not developing, though I think that is very unlikely. I do think this will at least reach tropical storm status and be named Laura. But most of the models have it reaching tropical storm status into hurricane status before weakening back into a tropical storm, with one model being a notably low-end Category 2 hurricane. So this system will definitely need to be watched over the next few days, especially if it can make it into the Gulf. The path of the system is very uncertain, but if it can get into the Gulf where there are very, very warm waters, we will have a very bad situation in our hands. Some potential paths the system could take are highlighted here. Each line is a different path it could take. It could curve into the Dominican Republic and curve back out into the ocean, or it could move into the Gulf, like I said, and become a major problem for Gulf Coast areas, depending on where that system aligns and hits. Because currently, most models do have this system developing into some kind of hurricane at this time. These models here, very split, very split. One goes into the Gulf, one curves into Florida, and into the Atlantic again. Similar to Isaiah, but not quite. So we will have to watch the system. I cannot tell you the exact path of the storm is going to take. Could curve into Florida and affect the Carolinas, could curve into the Gulf and affect Texas and Louisiana. So we will need to watch this closely. These are current sea surface temperatures. You do see here that the Gulf of Mexico is very warm right now, with 31 to 32 degrees Celsius temperatures in the Gulf. And if that system can roll into the Gulf, could easily become Category 1, Category 2 intensity. I do not believe the system will become a major hurricane, but I will not rule out the very slim possibility of that happening, particularly if it can get into the Gulf of Mexico. Otherwise, if the other solution pans out, it will still be a bad situation because those temperatures are still very warm around Florida and the Bahamas, but it will be better off for the Carolinas as those temperatures are slightly lower. That's your trusted weather forecast for upcoming potential Hurricane Laura. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment if you want. Goodbye.